This men's Tiffany Co luxury watch is a gently pre-owned, simple but solid and sophisticated timepiece that's perfect for the modern gentleman who doesn't like a sporty watch full of complications. The elegant, rectangular, 18-karat rose gold case features a white dial, while a classy brown leather strap, which uses an 18-karat rose gold tang clasp and will fit a wrist up to 8.25 inches, holds this handsome timepiece firm to the wrist. An automatic movement powers the hour, minute, and second hands, which point to numeric hour markers. This is one of those rare cases where less is more. One look at this refined and polished timepiece and you know it's meant to be on the wrist of a dapper gentleman. 300 watches. Infinite possibilities.